Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to use ventilation of the driver's seat. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's open the air conditioning settings. So basically, let me use this fan icon. And here you can use the icon with the fan and with the seat. So this is the icon in the upper right corner. If you tap it once, it will turn blue. So it means that the ventilation is activated. It's only used for the driver's seat, and you can use this on hot summer days to prevent your back from sweating against the seat material. So if you tap it again, you can adjust the speed of the ventilation, the power of the ventilation, and you can tap a few times to deactivate ventilation as well. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for our channel and leave thumbs up.